I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone 14 is ready. Update to iOS 17 Plus because standby is a system feature. Once done, plug in a charger or MagSafe and leave the phone unlocked. Standby activates only when charging or on a power source. Make sure Do Not Disturb is set the way you want, otherwise notifications won't appear. Now you're ready to enable the mode itself in settings and place the phone in landscape so the standby view can appear. You'll now turn standby on and tailor what shows. In settings, find standby and toggle it on. This lets the horizontal charger display a full screen clock and widgets. Next, customize the clock face, add or remove widgets, and choose which app notifications appear. This controls usefulness and privacy. Make sure auto lock is set to never while charging so the screen doesn't dim. If it still goes dark, double-check low power mode is off because that restricts. You're almost done. Put the iPhone 14 on its side while connected to power, and the standby view should appear automatically, showing clocks, widgets, and notifications. Tap or swipe to switch layouts and use voice or assistive controls if you prefer. If nothing shows, restart the phone first, confirm iOS 17 Plus is installed, then try a different cable or charger. Sometimes a weak connection prevents standby. If problems persist, reset standby settings or contact Apple support for device-specific diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.